Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the air blast load over the composite beam made by ultra high performance concrete, and also the beam with a stud as a shear stud inside the concrete. Let me first check the stress for the beam with a stud so you can see them, and let me click on animate. You can see the deformation and the stress at the end frame, and these are the shear studs. And also we have damage. We can check it for the limit, for instance, to have a better view. See the damage zone, it is a little bit, it is not too much. And also plastic strain, displacement. And for the ultra high performance concrete we have tensile damage. Click on animate. This is the tensile damage and the deformation. And after that we can check the stiffness degradation. See, this is the stiffness degradation, and the end frame is this, and you can see the deformation here. This is a critical zone. See that? We can check the stress for the concrete now. We use a Composite procedure to apply the air blast load over this composite beam. By definition, the source point, standoff point, and the amount of the TNT. Okay, and you can get anything from this simulation, and we explain it in the tutorial video. So if you need this tutorial to model ultra performance fiber reinforced concrete, a steel beam with shear stud under the blast load, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com. On our website there are many English tutorials, and they are provided for English users. You can search on the search section on the website to find this tutorial. You should just search some of these words there. Then click on a title or blue sign. This is continue, and then you will have a title about the geometry and also the material method, step interaction load, and then the result as figures. You can see them here. You can provide CAINP and English video file step by step, and the material reference as a papers for 27 euros, and you can use a PayPal for the payment, and also Visa or a MasterCard. Just before payment, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.